Hello, welcome to New England Industrial Machinery. Today we're doing a video demonstration of a Robovent fume exhauster for a welder. And this unit here is a model DFP-800-1, and it's also called a WeldVent. Has the 10-foot exhaust tube, an articulating hood, a Minihelic gauge. It was built new in October of 2014 and was stopped being used in 2016. It was a prototype shop and the shop was shut down. Three-quarter horsepower. Has the spark arrestor filter and a dust filter. Both are brand new. Very clean unit, quiet, excellent condition. Button this up. And we'll start it. It's on wheels for nice portability wherever you need it. So the switch is right here. Got a piece of cardboard just to give you an idea of the suction here. That's the unit. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you.